Come test drive the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, privacy glass, FWD, tires, front performance, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear performance, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.